Tired of scrolling through endless, outdated contacts in your Aisensy WhatsApp? Let's declutter that list and boost your data privacy in under 90 seconds. First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the main dashboard. Look to the left-hand menu. You'll see an option labeled Contacts. Click on that to access your contact list. Now you're in the heart of your contact management. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll typically see a search bar at the top, which is super helpful for quickly locating a specific contact you want to remove. Once you found the contact you want to delete, click on their name to open their individual contact details page. Scroll down, and you'll find a Delete Contact button. It's usually located at the bottom of the page and may be highlighted in red. Clicking Delete Contact will trigger a confirmation pop-up. This is a crucial step to prevent accidental deletions. Read the message carefully. It will usually ask, "Are you sure you want to delete this contact?" If you're certain you want to remove the contact, click the Delete or Yes, Delete button within the confirmation window. The exact wording might vary slightly, but the intent is the same. And that's it. The contact will be removed from your Aisensy WhatsApp contact list. The page will automatically refresh, and you should no longer see the deleted contact. Managing your contacts effectively is key to maintaining data privacy and improving your workflow on Aisensy. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks to make the most of your messaging platform.